is Joanne, assistant in today is Marty. Your tour guide's name is Larry. Now to see how a unique set like this operates, take a look at your overhead monitors. Which is a mock-up, a life-size recreation of a pilot house that's found on a tugboat. And speaking of life-size, I see Marty brought me some brave volunteers. And your name, please?
John Elliott.
Well, John, it's been nice to know you. And your name, please?
David Barr.
Well, David, it's been nice knowing you. Why don't you turn around, step inside, and spin the wheel of misfortune. Now, after David gets set up, we're going to course a storm sequence using some heavy-duty mechanical effects. But first, let's go check on David and see how he's doing. How's it going in there, David? Good? Okay, well, I think you feel a lot better if you put that hood up. That's right. Okay, now why don't you tie those strings underneath your chin real tight? Trust me. Now, when the mock-up is rocked, it simulates movement on the high seas. I'm going to make this a little bit more believable. I'm going to add some rain. In a few moments, I'm going to add the wind. And you can cue the action. On the count of 3, I want you to yell, dump it. And John, when they yell, dump it, that'll be your cue. Take the sled and push it over to this side, okay? 1, 2, 3. Because we need 3 elements. One will be our explosion, provided by underwater air cannons, and we have our brave volunteer, provided by John. Now we also have the special effects expert, David, who has just retired from acting. Okay, John, in this scene I'm going to change your name. I'm going to call you Duck, Captain Duck, commander of the SS Totally Sinkable, an action-packed adventure called All Hands on Deck. You ready, sir? All right, let's get those binoculars up because you are on patrol in the darkest, deepest region of our special effects water tank when all of a sudden you spot a battleship off into the distance. That's right, Captain, right over this way. You shoot a torpedo off into its bow. Fire 1! Oh, Captain, that was really great. Unfortunately, though, it was one of ours. Air attack at 10 o'clock. Duck, Captain, duck. Do you think you can survive the revenge of David here? Wait a minute, look at this. I don't believe this. Look, there's enemy submarines. They're all around. They just fired off their torpedoes. Hit it, David. Hit it. They're getting closer and closer. Captain, you're a dead